guys, so I went to my favorite antique mall, East Fork, over the weekend. Well, I went on Sunday, and yes, that is the back of my head you're seeing. Rick was there to help me film. Because of my medical procedure on Friday, I was supposed to be good, and I wasn't supposed to carry a lot of things. So luckily, he was there to help. So you will see me in some of these shots. Oh, clown alert, clown alert. I'm sorry, he was filming. I didn't know that was in there. Oh no. Oh my. Sorry, Belinda. This is a case of beautiful glass. There were a lot of pretty glass pieces this trip. Unfortunately, most of them were a little bit too high for me to resell to you guys, but I still admired them. Gorgeous. Love me some marigold carnival glass. I just thought that was beautiful. I want to say that was $98. Maybe North Lake. I can't remember who it was. That picture was really cool. That very mid-century picture. I did leave it behind. There's some more pretty marigold. I was just enjoying looking at everything. But oh my gosh, that vase or that picture is just absolutely stunning. I love the lines on it. It's gorgeous. You would think how many times I've been to East Fork Mall that I would get tired of going back there, but I never do. There's always an area I haven't seen recently. There's always new things being added, so it's always a lot of fun. This booth had a good mixture of vintage items. They have ceramics. They do have some glass there. There were some hand-blown glass pieces. That grill was kind of cool in the original box. This slag glass is stunning. I have seen that before, and I always stop to look at it and think, oh, I wish I could have that. Okay, clown alert again. These are all decanters, and some of them are pretty cool. That lion back, okay, he's kind of creepy. He has like triple eyes. I think it means he's drunk, but still creepy nonetheless. There's a lion back there, and I looked at him, and unfortunately he had a chip, so I thought about getting him, but I put him back. I just thought he was really cool. I love this ginormous piggy bank. He was so big I couldn't really lift him. He's absolutely adorable. Look at him. Look at that face. And he's got flowers. He's just a big old happy pig. And I love him. Maybe one day he'll go on sale and he can come live at home with me or go live with one of you. He's so cute. It just makes me smile when I look at that. There's a cock. Belinda. That vase is beautiful. Of course, I love this reverse painted Victorian piece. I love the greyhound on it. That might be my favorite part. It's just so cool. That lamp is beautiful as well. So they had several Kachinas in this booth, and they were pretty well priced. I'm trying not to buy for myself, so I resisted, but I did admire them. Look at the eagle one. It's amazing, guys. It's just beautiful. I did not pick it up to try to find out who made it or what tribe, but it's just amazing. And this booth, they have a really cool case with some jewelry. That bag is just gorgeous. Really, really pretty. The beadwork on it is beautiful. It is $55, I believe. And not on sale. I thought that yellow tray or dish was really pretty with the handles. There's a gorgeous piece of carnival glass there. I love it. I don't remember who made it. I want to say maybe Fenton. I don't think it was priced. I think that was part of the problem. I wasn't sure how much it was, and I didn't see a marking, so I didn't know who made it. Okay, fun fact. This exact vase was gifted to me by my girl Gina, and I love it. It was so cool to see it, in a normal shopping trip. I do like that lighthouse, a stained glass lighthouse. This booth has amazing glass, but it's great for retail, and I think they do really well, but for resale, it's just a little too high for me. Beautiful pink depression glass there. I love the blue glass section. It's just gorgeous. Yeah, this candlestick was really cool. Beautiful. I love the etching on the bottom. It's just a really neat piece. Of course, I'm drawn to the amethyst because purple's my color. That whole shelf is tempting to me. There's some nice milk glass there with the gold trim. There is a booth that has a lot of uranium glass in a black lit curio, and I love looking at it. It's just so fun. I can't wait to have more space and maybe do something like that myself because I love it. I love that dish. It is also uranium glass. Here's some cutie patooties, little, you know, kitschy things in this booth. That whale that was paused on briefly is alabaster, and it's beautiful. That cow is adorable. There's a bunch of birds. This booth has a lot of figurines, and I do stop there pretty much on every trip. Those Homeco bunnies were adorable, y'all. I probably should have gotten them for Easter. It's coming up. It'll be here sooner than you think. I have looked at this little cat piggy bank for a while now. I may have to end up getting him at some point because he's sure cute. He's kind of derpy, but he's cute at the same time, and that's exactly what I love. Plus, he's a cool color. He's like a lavender color. Don't see that very often. I did end up picking this up, guys. I thought it was amazing. It is an art glass hawk. I don't know much about it. I only saw a picture of one similar to it online, so I'm going to have to dig a little bit more. I don't think it's Murano, but I think it's pretty nice. Not pretty nice. It's very nice. Oh, nice shot of my back there. Sorry about that, guys. Beautiful blue glass. Or beautiful glass. Those oil lamps are gorgeous. And there's a little passage. Shout out to Tammy and Linda. Oh, that caroler. Sometimes those carolers freak me out. Okay, yeah, especially these. He looks like he's in pain. Like, he doesn't look like he's happy to be singing carols. Hey friends, hello fellow vintage lovers. Welcome to the haul portion of today's video. Hope you enjoyed your short little shop along with me and Rick. We stayed at East Fork Mall for about an hour, which is far short of my normal time spent there, which is usually about 2 to 3 hours. But as you can see, I still managed to pick up some amazing vintage items, and I'm excited to show them all to you. Okay, guys, so this is something I don't come across very often, pink milk glass. Just a couple of times since I've been doing this, to be honest with you. If I do see it, it's usually way too high for resale. But on this trip, I managed to pick up these two gorgeous pieces. This one is Indiana glass, and it's like a small pedestal dish. Could be a candy dish. These are great for display if you need some added height. I think this would be really cute in a Valentine's Day display with maybe some red cards in it, red hearts in it. You know, pink and red are just such a cute combination. And then I picked up this. I do believe this is probably a planter. Could be a compote. If you wanted a big bowl of ice cream, which who doesn't? This one is Jeanette glass. And this one is also gorgeous. Now, there is no damage on the smaller one at all. And on this one, there is no damage on the outside. It's perfect. But on the inside, there is some scratching. I'm assuming maybe they used this. Well, they definitely used it, or there wouldn't be some scratching. But the scratching is only on the inside. There it is there. It does not come through to the outside. It's, you know, probably from a planter, perhaps. I'm not sure. But I do want to point that out. I think this is just absolutely beautiful. I love the size. I love the design. Just a really, really pretty dish. Then I got these two dishes, which is something I might not normally get. But this is so deco to me. I think this is probably 80s deco. I have not researched anything. It is a made in Japan piece. As you can see here, fine china exclusively for Ben Reichert, made in Japan. It's some sort of little soap dish or trinket dish. I just thought it was really cool. Yeah, I've been really into deco lately, so you guys may be seeing quite a few more pieces like that. Then I got this metal dish. I'm not sure. It could be another trinket or a coaster. This definitely does have some age on it, but I'm not quite sure how old it is. It's got these beautiful flowers and butterflies there. There is no information on the back, but this is definitely metal with some sort of really pretty enamel painting on it. I just thought this was really cool. And again, I'm not sure. It could be a coaster. It's kind of big to be one. I think it'd be gorgeous in a bathroom paired with that, which is probably why I was so drawn to it. I just thought it was cool. Then I got this monkey because I just thought he was so cute. He's got an adorable little face. He's kind of derpy, which is probably why I like him so much. Look at that smile. He's just so cute. He's a bell. He's bisque. He doesn't have a very good chime. Here is the inside. He's just really cute. He's probably made in Taiwan. He's definitely vintage, but is he not adorable? That little derpy face going there. Oh, I just love him. Okay, then I got some jewelry pieces, and guys, if this doesn't scream 1960s, I don't know what does. So this is a really long beaded necklace. These are all acrylic beads. I love the way this is designed, how all these beads are grouped together. It's not focusing for me. I apologize. I'm going to try to go in. There we go. So each of these larger beads has 4 flowers in it. It's just really, really cool. It came with these 2 clip-ons, which of course match it. But hold on, let me show you the best part about this. Okay guys, are you ready? This necklace is a glower. This necklace is 25 inches long, 50 inches total. And it freaking glows. Look at that. It's phenomenal. This would look so cool in a black light curio paired with other uranium glass pieces. Oh my gosh, it's phenomenal. Now the green earrings do not glow. It's just this lighter green in the beads. How cool is that? So, so cool. I also picked up these earrings. I thought these were cool. Excuse me. Now, I have not tested these yet, but these are actual real stones. Gosh, it's not focusing for me today. There we go. It's got this cool lion's head design. This definitely screams mid-century modern to me, but I do believe it's a newer piece based off of the way this pierced earring is attached to it on the back. But the fact that it's stone and has these cool lines on it, I went ahead and got it anyway. Or got them, I should say. They're in excellent shape. I need to find out what stone that is. But I just thought those were really cool. And I couldn't not get them. Okay, so I also got some uranium glass because they had some in one of my favorite booths. I got 3 of these saucers. These are Hazel Atlas. And they glow. I haven't noticed any damage on any of these other than, you know, some scratching from being used. But is that not phenomenal right there? So there's 3 of these, as you can see here. Then I got this one as well. And I do believe this is Hazel Atlas too. I'm trying to remember the name of this pattern because I did look this up. Don't you just hate that? My brain is just not what it used to be. Okay guys, so this is the Colonial knife and fork pattern, and this is also Hazel Atlas. This saucer is the same size as these 3 here, and I love the design of it. It's so cool. Again, all of these would look so awesome together. Now I also picked up this uranium glass bowl. It could be a mixing bowl. It could be some sort of serving bowl. It's just a cool bowl. And it is made by, let me see here, I did write this down. I thought I did. Yeah, it's Hazel Atlas as well. So, pretty cool. All 3 of these uranium glass pieces are Hazel Atlas. I didn't even get these in the same booth. But there you go. Really cool bowl. Then I picked up this. You guys, if you've been watching my channel, you know I've been picking up some art class animals lately. I thought this was really cool. He is some sort of hawk. He's just really well made. This is a bigger piece. I love his eyes. I love the way the glass is down here. It does look like feathers. Even the way they did the white there, it's just a beautiful piece. He does have a base. So it's just like a bust of a really pretty hawk. And I love him. I think he is amazing. Like I said, he's a bigger piece in comparison to the bull. There we go. Now you can kind of see. So I did pick up 3 books because I'm always picking up books. If I find children's books and they're in good shape, I get them for the most part. Especially if they have cute illustrations or they're about animals. So this one is a picture dictionary. There's the owl right there. Got to show the owl. And this is from 1950, I do believe. Let me see here. Yep, 1950. So it is an illustrated alphabet. It gives you all these different pictures. It's so cute. There's a chicken. Oh my gosh, there's an elf. How cute is that? It's just really cute, and obviously it's intended to teach children the alphabet. Teach them how to read. It's so, so cute. Love it. So again, this one's from 1950. Then I got this one from the 80s just because I thought it was so cute, guys. This is a happy ending book, which I'm not going to comment on that, but look at these mice. It is so, so cute, guys. I want to say it's 83 or 84. Let's see if I can open it while I'm holding the phone. I can. 82. Look at how cute it is. It's in good shape, too. The other one is as well, which is amazing for being, you know, from 1950. I have not read either one of these books, but if you know me, you know I'm going to before I sell them or ship them out. Ooh, that's kind of creepy. Monster cat. What? How's that a monster cat? There's a bunny. This is so cute, guys. Oh, just look at that. I love it. Okay, then the last thing I got was this cute book. This one does have some condition issues, but I think that's okay because, as you'll see, it's adorable. This is from the 40s. I'm trying to remember. This belonged to Byron, excuse me. Look at these illustrations. It is so, so cute. The little puppy who would not mind his mother. 1949. Look at him. He's a stubborn little puppy, is he not? So cute. You know, there are some condition issues. Like I said, all the pieces are not connected to the spine anymore. But I thought the pictures inside make up for it, and all the pages are here. It looks like it's just been, you know, loved. It was read many times, which makes me love it even more. Look at this. It's so cute. He's chasing the calf. Okay, I'm just going to go back here. Oh my gosh, look at him and the kitten. That is so stinking cute. Okay, so that's the last thing I have for my haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this short little video. Like I said, we had a great time. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. Hope everyone's having a good day.